and welcome back to day 14 of 100 days of Power BI on the Excel Island channel. So without further ado, let's get back to learning. So we've actually covered a couple of lessons. You can catch those lessons from day 1 to day 10 on the channel. We've covered introduction to Power BI, introduction to DAX in Power BI, data visualization in Power BI. You can catch those lessons on the channel. So we're actually doing a case study and we are almost through with the case study. If I click on continue for the case study, you can catch day 13. We actually went deeper on this case study on day 13. So this was where we stopped on day 13. We're trying to answer these key questions. Some questions we've covered with the exploratory part of the data analysis of the case study. We did that on day 12, which was actually exploring. You can see we did some exploratory analysis. And we're actually here on day 13, so you can catch those days on the channel. So if I go back to reading the instruction, so the analysis requirement given by data label includes a request to analyze the international activity of customers and its relationship to churn. They are curious about the behavior of customers who call internationally and if paying for an international plan influences their loyalty. So we do not recommend doing so, but if you've lost progress, you can load the solution report of the previous SSR's data solution, which I've already loaded. And this was where we stopped on day 13. We're actually looking at the churn rate for this graph visual. We're actually looking at the churn rate by states, churn rates by churn rate of customers by state generally. So we discovered that those customers in California are the highest churn rates. So based on what we are actually analyzing there, we're also given instruction to create a matrix